Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Fame Frequency continues to break barriers for the virtual events. As on Emancipation Day, the playoffs was a must-watch event as 6 DJs from the 3 featured radio brands were challenged in the fan favorite playoffs. Host Jenny took the DJs through 3 rounds. Now the first was the juggling round where the brands showcased their own style and flavor. The catalog round paired reggae heavyweights for a battle of the sexes. The round saw some creative mixing as Radio Jamaica represented with Etana and Sanchez. Hits was with the Lion and Lioness, Queen Afrique and Garnet Silk. And Fame was with the Queen of Reggae, Marcia Griffiths and Jacure. Now the third round, the theme round, is where social media got in a frenzy as the DJs played songs to represent the Petty Wedding DJ, Entanglement, Saving a Relationship, and the well-placed Emancipation tributes.
Me love Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out.
Tell you.
But when we there, yeah, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana.
What about the arcade?
Sweet Jamaica, man, island that. Me not stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water.
And we say what?
But I'm an alien. I'm an barrier.
And what now?
I not leave ya.
Oh yes.
Because I cannot die.
We love it, you know.
No, it's
But Jamaica land we love.
what the boy.
Fame Frequency, the playoffs, is now a must-watch on Saturday nights, and host Jenny spoke to its longevity.
Then go week after week, they're supposed to get tired. But what do? They keep reinventing themselves. The party are no normal. Mr. RETV, the hashtag Fame Frequency edition. We say big up to those who are smart enough to sponsor like Smirnoff and Caribbean Choice. Where you there? Make sure you jump on. Where you there? Don't miss it, because look here, the party are shot.
And the party continues inside over the Independence period with a special Independence Day party courtesy of the Ministry of Culture, live on Fame 95 and RETV at 8 p.m. Then Fame Frequency Tropical Paradise on Saturday for a beach chic event with the hottest songs from the 2000s. Now, still on Fame Frequency, the Smirnoff Fame Frequency pitch competition is now open. Budding event promoters and creatives are invited to come up with a theme for Fame Frequency. The winning theme will be featured on the series and a payday of $100,000. You must be 18 years or older to enter. Head on over to Fame and RETV's Instagram pages for details on how to enter. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.